Hello guys, today I'm going to show you easy and simple hairstyles that will go with bangs. Welcome back and let's get into our video. Before that, do subscribe and thank you so much for all the subscribers and viewers.
I gave you my heart.
Firstly, I'm making a headband with kerchief and put it like this and do just a knot. And that's it. It's really a pretty hairstyle. I really love this. And this one is not at the top and this one is not at the bottom. And it's really a simple ponytail that will go with bangs, and it's really pretty too, right? And now I'm taking front part of the hair like this and making a ponytail, and that's it. Make it as a high pony, then only it will look so pretty. I really love this hairstyle too. And now I'm just using a simple headband. You can back comb here if you want it. And now I'm taking a hair like this and I'm just braiding, and then just loosening it. After you loosen it and pin it here like this, you don't need any headband. You can try this way. And now I'm making a two ponytail like this. In the first one, I'm just splitting into two. And now I'm taking the second ponytail in between the first ponytail. And now secure that. And again take the hair like this and make a ponytail. And repeat the same. It is just a touch braiding using rubber bands. Dutch braiding is nothing but braiding inverse. We are braiding inverse. And now I'm not using any rubber band in the end. I'm just braiding inverse, which is Dutch braiding. And once you're done, just loose it up. Loose it up as much as you can. That is why we used a rubber band here. It will look so thick, and you can try this on medium thin hair too, because hair will look so thicker in this hairstyle. And I just loose it up till the end, and this is how it looks. I really do love this hairstyle, and I hope this video is useful to you all. I really do love this hairstyle, and comment your favorite hairstyle in the below comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe to our channel, like and share. And thanks to all. Bye. See you in the next video.